You guys want to load this with me? All right, let's go. Let's load it up there. I don't know if you can see here, but you gotta line these tracks up. These lines here on the trailer. And you just climb up the ramp. See the lines here on the trailer. Line it up with that. Just slowly climb up. And you'll just keep climbing. It's not for the faint of heart doing this, because it feels kind of weird. When it gets up past the center point of gravity, it'll just start to fall down. Alright? Just like it is right now. See that? Just keep moving forward slowly. And then just keep it lined up with that line on that trailer. And make sure that one is lined up with the same line. Right? Just drive it on here. Brand new Caterpillar machines are pretty easy to operate. There, now it's on the trailer. I'm going to chant down. Have a good day.